this video, I'm going to show you how to make a rainforest in Infinite Craft. To get started, go ahead and open Infinite Craft on your device. Now in here, what you can do is to go ahead and drag the earth element to your canvas. So go ahead and drag earth into your canvas. Now go ahead and add water to earth. Once mixed together, you'll be able to get a plant. Now add another earth and you'll be able to get a tree. Now add another earth and you'll be able to get a forest. Now once you add another forest, you'll be able to get a jungle. Now once you add another forest to your jungle, you'll be able to get a rainforest. And that is how you can simply make a rainforest in Infinite Craft. If there are other recipes that you want us to create a video for, please comment it down below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.